To receive housing at Seton Hall University through your upperclassmen years, returning students participate in a room selection process during the spring semester. A student's outcome in this process is largely based on the number of priority points they earn throughout the year. Priority points are earned in 4 categories: academic, judicial, residence hall citizenship, and campus involvement. A student can earn up to 40 priority points in total, 10 for each category. Academic points are based on your cumulative GPA. Judicial points are based on your current disciplinary record. Residence hall citizenship points are earned through your involvement in residence hall programs, as well as your contribution to the betterment of your hall through hall council or other actions that demonstrate good citizenship in your hall. Campus involvement points are earned several ways: active, consistent, and continuous involvement in a student organization, attending Pirates home sports games, participating in intramurals as a player or fan, on-campus employment. Priority points are calculated each March for students who qualified for room selection and are sent to students via SHU email. Priority point totals can be appealed by following the directions in the Priority Points email. For more information, please see www.shu.edu/housing/priority-points.cfm or contact our office at 973-761-9172 or SHU Housing at shu.edu.